Hello guys, welcome back to Logic Building. And now our today's topic is Fibonacci series. So first of all, let's understand what is Fibonacci series before going to implement it. So Fibonacci series is basically a concept inside the maths, okay? So whenever we are going to write the Fibonacci series, it will look like something like this that I have written over here, okay? Now there are first two number always, that is 0 and then 1. So these are the first two numbers of the Fibonacci series. Now we have to generate the third number. Now how we will generate the third number? The first two numbers immediately left after 8 will be uh, we will make the addition of it, and that addition will be the third number. The same process will continue for the all over number into the series. Now how we will generate the fourth number? The immediate left two numbers addition will be the fourth number. That is 1 plus 1 will be 2 over here. Right guys? So how we will generate the fifth number, that is 3? The addition of first left two immediate numbers of it, that is 1 plus 2 will be 3, then 3 plus 2, that is 5, then 5 plus 3 will be 8. Likewise we will continue to develop the series. Now we are going to implement this series using programming inside the Python. Okay, now let's define a function which will be named as Fibo in our case, and it will take one input which will be named as x, which is basically a number. Okay, now let's assign the number 1. Okay, I'm defining it inside the function because it has a particular purpose. Okay, now first of all let me write the code and then I will explain to you. So this will be number 1, okay, and this will be number 2, that is always 0 and 1. Okay, number 1 and number 2. Okay, all right, so we have first two numbers guys. Now we have to generate the remaining numbers. Now how we will know that how many numbers we have to calculate? So the x will specify the number of positions that we want to generate. Okay, for example, if x is 5, then we have to generate 5 numbers or 5 positions. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a loop over here. So for I, which is iterator, in, okay, I in range, I in range. Now we have first two numbers. Okay, so we are going to calculate from second number. So 0 1 then 2, that is why the second number, up to the x. Okay, and then what we are going to do, we are going to calculate the third number in the series. Okay, so we can name it as sum. Okay, sum is a keyword, so just use the result. Okay, result will be number 1 plus, sorry, number 1 plus number 2. Okay, and then we are going to print them. Okay, so in case of number 1 and number 2, we are going to print them here itself. Now what I want it all the numbers in the same line. Okay, so that is why I'm going to print the number 1 with a single space. Okay, so it will have a space and end will be slash n. Okay, means, sorry, end will be separator, not a space. Okay, so likewise we are going to print the series number, that is the newly generated number as well. Now here we are going to simply print the result. Okay, and now the remaining important part, can you guess what it will be? Yes,
perfectly. Now we have to update the number 1 and number 2 so that they will immediately follow the left side of the series, right? So here number 1 will be act as number 2, then number 2 will be our newly generated number, guys, right? So it will be assigned as result. Okay, and result is inside the for loop, so each time it will be regenerated or recalculated, so we don't have to update the result. Okay, variable. Now to test our code, what we are going to do, just call this function. Okay, now fibo, I'm gonna print the first 5 numbers. Okay, now let's test our code, just execute it. Yeah, big bang, guys, we have successfully generated the series. So in the output you can see over here, that is first number is 0, then 1, then 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let's try using different number. So give here 10 and just check. Okay, all right, guys, so after 3 it is 5, then 8, then 13, then 21, 34. So it was a very easy function to write, guys. So I hope that you have understand it. Thank you so much for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep coding.